Good afternoon, everybody. This is just a quick little update on the DRZ400 Supermoto touring kind of project I'm doing. I got some parts in today, specifically one part that I'm kind of the most excited about. We actually got a stunt cage for the bike. It's not really a stunt cage, it's more of like a 12 o'clock bar for wheelies, so you don't hurt the rear of the bike when you're scraping it on the ground, which will take me a while to learn how to do. But I'm just going to show you a little unboxing of that part. So here she is, the wonderful massive box with the used 12 o'clock bar, and I got this thing for a really good deal. So let's get it opened. So here she is. This is an SMF, stands for self-made fabrication, I believe. DRZ400 Supermoto 12 o'clock bar, or stunt bar. This one's actually a little special. It's got the titanium scrape plate back here, and a lot of the ones I see for sale don't actually have this extra raised up bar part of this for like putting your foot on. This one does. As you can see, it's a little rough. The guy who owned it before me, he stunted his DRZ pretty hardcore, and he used the crap out of this thing. But, I mean, the sucker's sturdy. It's made of some pretty tough material. What I'm planning to do with this, actually, is just, I'm going to take all this grip tape off of it. He's already taken some of it off here, but I'm going to take the rest of the grip tape off, take off these sliders on the outside, and then there's a local guy that I've been talking to who's planning to powder coat it for me. He offers kind of a pretty budget powder coating solution around here, so I'm going to have it powder coated. I think I'm just going to keep it white, but if you guys have any ideas on color, let me know. I think white would just go really well with the yellow and white kind of paint scheme that the bike already has, but I considered black too. Well, we're going to see how that goes. I'm going to go do a little kind of test fitting. Not really test fitting, I'm just going to kind of put it on the bike and like look and see what it looks like, just to see kind of how cool it looks. But we're not going to mount it yet until I get it painted. To the garage we go. Tally ho! Let there be light. I think you might have to take the seat off to get it mounted. I think you have to take the seat off to get it mounted fully, but this will kind of show roughly what it's going to look like. It won't stick out quite as far as it is now, but you guys will get the idea here. Okay. That looks freaking sick. Okay, so one thing I'm noticing though is it's kind of pushing on my my tail lights here. Probably gonna need to figure out a solution for that. I don't know. It might not push on it if it's actually, all the way on there. You know what, I'm just gonna take off the seat and actually get it mounted on there a little better.
"2,000 years later."
Seat comes off. Now this should sit down in here a little bit. There we go, that looks a lot better. Oh, and it doesn't actually rub against this, that's perfect. Okay, so as you can see, what I was worried about at first, my turn signal's hitting. They are not anymore, there's plenty of room. And then the mounting holes go right through the rear fender, and it mounts up to the stock seat hole, and then there's two mounting holes right down here on either side. So we'll probably have to kind of adjust them a little bit, but it'll work. I think it's gonna be pretty rad. Let's put the seat on and see what it looks like. Okay, so there's the rough mount. As you can see, it fits on there perfect. That is so cool looking. Oh my gosh. That looks mean. Gosh, and look at it from this side. So or from the front, if you look at it from the front view, look how far those things stick out. It's gonna save basically this whole side on the right side, including the exhaust. I mean, it sticks out like 2 inches further than the exhaust. So the idea is, if this bike goes down on me, that stunt cage or stunt bar in the back will help keep, you know, the sides of the bike and the plastics and the exhaust, stuff like that, from getting damaged. So anyway, this was just a rough kind of unboxing and look at like a rough install just to see what it looks like. But I do still need to get it powder coated and probably put some new grip tape on it before we actually fully install the thing permanently. But for right now, I'm pretty excited about how it looks. I mean, just look at that thing. It looks so much meaner now. And I'm definitely keeping it white though, because I love the way the white matches with like the paint scheme of this white fender here. And then, you know, the contrast with the yellow and the blue. I think it looks so cool. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want. If you don't want to, fuck it. I mean, that's fine too. See ya.